Are you just getting started in the custom apparel business? You spot the right video and the right brand. Welcome to CAMFive EMB. My name is Caroline. Join me in this tutorial where I will show you how to hoop a hat for embroidery with a standard cap frame. Let's see what we need. The first thing we need is a jig or frame gauge that holds the frame of the cap so you can hoop it. The cap frame, also the cap driver, comes with your EMB machine, a cap, some backing material or stabilizer, and depending on your design, some puffy foam. We are going step by step. First, engage the cap frame into the jig. Both the jig and the frame have a slot that fits perfectly at the center. Press until you hear a click. Open up the locking band. Now take your stabilizer and place it underneath the bill stops. We want to make sure to always avoid framing the sweatband, so turn over the sweatband. We will align the center of the hat frame with the center of the cap. Now take the locking band, put it on around the visor line, and lock it. Take out the frame by pressing the clamps. Let's move to the embroidery machine. Since we are not making flat embroidery, we are going to remove the table. Also, remove the frame holder arms using an Allen wrench and now attach the cap driver to the machine. Make sure the jig is turned to the right side before placing the hoop hat. Once the hat frame is engaged into the machine, secure the clamps, the two on the top and one on the bottom. The only thing left is to embroider your cap. We're making a 3D test, but it is up to you to decide which design you want it in your products. A CAMFive EMB machine is your solution for custom embroidery headwear, from caps to beanies. You can design every marketing item to keep your brand top of mind with clients. In the end, take out the frame by pressing the clamps and pulling it out. Open up the locking band and remove the cap. Now you know how to hoop a cap correctly. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any question, use the comment section below. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. See you next time!